In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A56 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, launch Settings and click on Connections. Then More Connection Settings and Printing. Now, you need to choose default print service or any other service you have and wanna use. Don't worry, they all turn on the same way. When you're done, just click on this switcher at the top right corner to make it blue and wait. As you can see, my device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you are having some issues with connection though, you can always try to fix it by clicking on those three dots at the top right corner and tapping on Add Printer. Now, you can click on this switcher next to Wi-Fi Direct Printing to enable it. And then tap on Allow in the pop-up. Or you can click on Add Printer by IP address, import it here and select Add to connect manually. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!